Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. Good morning, children. Am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Good morning. I thought nobody spoke.
ma'am.
I was wondering.
Good morning,
Did I-
ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. You know, I know that you are there. Thank God you started coming. Can we start,
Yes,
children?
ma'am. I will come regularly.
मैम
Yes, yes, yes.
मैम मैंने वो एक डाउट पूछा था मैम।
बेटा हाँ, मेरी कल क्लासेस थी, फिर टॉपर बैच था, तो मैं भूल गई। मैं आज 1:45 पे फ्री हो जाऊंगी। आई विल रिस्पॉन्ड बैक। ठीक है?
मैम वो
मेरे को
मैम
याद
बस
आया
मुझे
कि
और
आपका
वैसा
मैसेज
कोई
आया
डाउट
था।
नहीं है,
हम्म।
पर मैम बस मुझे ये पूछना था कि कल जैसे आपने पूरा पीसीआर पढ़ाया, तो हर पीसीआर के बाद डीएनए डबल होता है या फिर पीसीआर के कोई एक स्टेप के बाद डबल होता है, ये पूछना।
बेटा जब आपके तीनों स्टेप्स हो जाएंगे, ठीक है।
अब
फर्स्ट
डबल
स्टेप
होगा
क्या
ना
था? चलो गुड। फर्स्ट स्टेप में क्या हुआ था, जल्दी से कर लेते हैं फटाफट। फर्स्ट स्टेप में क्या था?
मैम डीनेचुरेशन।
Good morning, ma'am.
वेरी गुड। वी टुक अ डबल स्ट्रैंडेड
Denaturation.
डीएनए। we took a double stranded DNA and we broke it into 2 separate strands. यही तो करा था। अच्छा चलो, अब
Yes,
सेपरेट
ma'am.
स्ट्रैंड्स को we cannot consider the single strands as a DNA obviously, so उसको हम
Yes,
डबलिंग
ma'am.
नहीं मानते। The first step cannot be taken as doubling the DNA because double stranded DNA को सिर्फ single strands में break किया and each single strand cannot be considered as a DNA. So second step में क्या करा था? Very quickly.
प्राइमर अटैच करा था।
प्राइमर अटैच करा था। प्राइमर से ये होगा कि और न्यूक्लियोटाइड बेसिस वहां पे आके ऐड होते चले जाएंगे, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री न्यूक्लियोटाइड
ma'am.
बेसिस टू द पेरेंट स्ट्रैंड। नाउ एक पेरेंट स्ट्रैंड ऑलरेडी था, वी गॉट अ लॉन्ग चेन ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री न्यूक्लियोटाइड बेसिस। सो ऊपर एक डबल स्ट्रैंड आ गया, एक नीचे डबल स्ट्रैंड आ गया। तो हम लोगों को एट द एंड ऑफ द प्रोसेस वी गॉट 2 DNAs. अच्छा, if these
Yes,
2
ma'am.
are again separated, we'll get 4 single strands. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then these 4 single strands will give rise to how many DNAs then? Double stranded
8.
DNAs? 8. Okay. I thought kuch details. Anyway, still if you have any doubts, yesterday we had a topper batch na English. So I think I missed out. Beta, very quickly, I am doing the last topic of this chapter. Use of markers to select transformants. That day I told
Ma'am,
you
which
about
chapter?
markers. First chapter, first part of biotechnology. There are 2 parts in biotechnology, principles and second is applications. So we'll be
Okay, ma'am.
finishing the principles wala part and we'll be starting with the second part of biotechnology, that is applications of biotechnology. Beta, this unit of biotechnology, when I started, I told you, let me revise very quickly with you. This unit of biotechnology has 2 chapters. The first one deals with processes of biotechnology, all the processes that we have done till now. And the second one will deal with the applications of biotechnology. So
And which
we are
one is
taking
big?
Beta, this is the difficult one. Second one is very easy. Second one is basically where how you use biotechnology in agriculture, medicine, how you make different kind of hybrid animals using biotechnology. So it is practical application of biotechnology. No concepts in that. It's a road learning chapter. The next
So
chapter
ma'am,
is already.
we are doing first chapter, na? This
We are
one.
doing first chapter of this unit,
Okay.
biotechnology. All these days we've been doing first chapter only of biotechnology. We are taking up the last topic, use of markers to select the transformants. Beta, if you remember when I did vectors, I did some characteristics of vectors.
Yes,
And one
ma'am.
very important characteristic of vectors, I told you that they should have markers. They should have
Yes,
markers.
ma'am.
When we discuss markers, I told you we generally have two kinds of markers, जिसमें से एक जरूर होना चाहिए in a vector. I had told you either you should have an antibiotic resistant gene or you should have an enzyme producing gene. How many of you remember this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I remember.
You remember? Chalo, thank God. When we did vectors, we did many qualities that vector should be small, vector should have this. There are so many characteristics. उसमें एक very important characteristic was that vectors should have markers. At that time, I told you I will teach you how markers act. I told you I'll take up a separate video and
Yes,
tell you
ma'am.
that how markers work. Today we are going to do that. The markers generally used are antibiotic resistant gene or their enzyme producing gene. Chalo, let me see kitna yaad hai. I had mentioned most of the cases. Which one is used? Which enzyme producing gene is used?
LAC-Z.
LAC-Z.
Good. Excellent. Excellent if you remember this. So, chalo, ab aage samajhte hain. I'll explain both the parts to you, how they act, how these markers are going to help us. First, we'll study about the antibiotic resistant genes, that how they will help you to identify or to select the transformants. पहले तो topic समझो. How to select transformants by using markers. Transformants मतलब एक organism जो transform हो गया, मतलब an organism जिसमें कोई change आ गया. Change कैसे आया होगा? You must have introduced a foreign DNA. You must have introduced your desired gene into a host, and उसके अंदर वो change आ गया. Then that organism will be known as transformant. Clear, everybody? What is it called? It is
Yes,
called as
ma'am.
transformant. It is something like a teacher does in a classroom. Teacher is teaching everybody. I'm trying to explain a concept to every one of you. So, what is basically happening in biotechnology? I'll compare both the situations and explain it to you. Teacher explains everything in the class और फिर वो ये test करना चाहते हैं that how many of you did actually understand. Okay? So what do I do? How do I find out कि किसको समझ में आया, किसको नहीं आया?
Question पूछती हैं.
Question
asking ma'am
पूछो.
questions.
Yes, by asking questions. Very good. तो ये जरूरी तो नहीं है ना कि if I am teaching तो सबको सब कुछ समझ में आ ही गया. Is it mandatory?
No, ma'am.
No ना.
No, ma'am.
कई बार नहीं भी समझ में आता है. Exactly same thing happens over here. आपने अपनी तरफ से you have put an insert, मतलब you have introduced a foreign gene, but it is not always that all the hosts have become transformants. Clear my point? सब में change आ
Yes,
गया,
ma'am.
ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. Exactly like in a class I told you, it is not essential that all students will understand what I'm saying. Similarly, what happens in biotechnology, you will insert a gene that is called an insert. Anything which you put foreign into a host is insert. What is it called? It is called insert. But at the end, you're not sure that the insert, after your insert has entered, it has been accepted by the host or not. वो exactly अपनी जगह पे fit हो गया, उसने host को transform किया या नहीं किया. This is what we are going to test now. I select students who have understood by asking them questions. Here we are going to find out that which host have become transformants. मतलब किस host में transformation हो गया, कौन सा host change हो गया. And for finding this, for checking this, I will use either this antibiotic resistant gene or I will use this enzyme producing gene. Let us understand कि इससे कैसे पता चलेगा कि ट्रांसफॉर्मेंट बना कि नहीं बना, होस्ट में चेंज आया कि नहीं आया. I'm trying to explain this to you. Antibiotic gene. First, understand the word transformant. The cell in which your new gene of foreign DNA has been introduced is what we call as the transformant. If you remember PBR322, how many of you remember this vector PBR322?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
many resistant genes it had?
And what?
How many
What?
resistant, how many antibiotic resistant genes were present in
Ma'am,
PBR322?
two.
Two. Very good.
Two.
Name them. Name them.
Ampicillin resistant gene and tetracycline resistant
Ma'am,
gene.
ampicillin and tetracycline.
Excellent.
Cycline.
Excellent. So you remember this. I'm trying to explain this by taking the same one, PBR322. Same vector I have taken beta. Okay? Now see, what I'm trying to do is your vector is what? This PBR322. You already have an ampicillin resistant gene over here. You have an ampicillin resistant gene. You told me there are two genes already present. I'm just trying to explain this to you with the help of only one gene, that is ampicillin resistant gene. Already do to hai, but I'm telling you this one. This is your insert. I told you what is insert. Your desired gene is what you call as insert. What is it called? It is called as an insert. देखो बेटा, ये क्या है? This is your normal PBR322. What is this, children? This is your normal PBR322. Whatever I entered in this, यहाँ पे क्या डाला?
Desired gene.
Desired gene.
This is also known as what?
Insert.
Gene of
Insert.
Okay. I have tried to enter this with the help of this RNA. I have put a rDNA. Here this has come, this insert has come. Now I want to check out. And supposing I'm taking E. coli. I'm trying to check out whether this plasmid I have introduced in E. coli cells now. After putting this insert, I have introduced this into this vector. Vector, you know na, vector carries your foreign gene into host. So vector kaun sa liya? PBR322. Vector mein I have put this the desired gene of mine, and is vector ko I have put in this E. coli, this E. coli, this E. coli and this E. coli. Means I have taken 4 hosts beta. Now I want to check whether all my 4 E. coli have become transformants or not. So I will see that 50%, if you can see over here, ye dono. Okay? What has happened of this? यहाँ पे क्या आ गया आपका? What are these circles indicating?
Vectors.
Right.
Yes, exactly. This plasmid, this vector which you had is here. In this E. coli, it is in this E. coli, but it is not in here. It is not here also. So out of 4, how many transformants here?
2.
So these 2 transformants, supposing I had introduced insulin producing gene. What was this insert of mine?
Insulin producing.
Insulin producing gene.
So tell me one thing now. Will this E. coli produce insulin?
No.
Ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Will this E. coli produce insulin?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Because beta, once this gene will enter this E. coli, then again we translation, transcription, and that protein will be produced, which will give you insulin. This will also not produce, this will also not produce. So 50% did not produce anything. They will not produce any proteins because obviously gene ही नहीं है. अगर gene नहीं है, the foreign gene तो transcription, translation का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. Protein formation is not taking place. Now, we have to get rid of these transformants. इन्हें तो हटाना है ना. We need to remove these non-transformants. What do we call them as? Non-transformants. And these are called as what? जिनमें plasmid enter कर गया. What are these called as?
Transformer.
Transformant.
And these are your non-transformants. But बाहर से देख के तो नहीं पता चलेगा ना. Which one is transformant, which is non-transformant? This I have drawn to explain it to you, but if you see from outside, you will not be able to identify. आपको सिर्फ ये पता है, I took 4 E. coli and I tried to enter my vector into all 4 of them. Now you don't know कि कौन से transformants है, कौन से non-transformants है. Looking at them, बेटा, I have drawn this, तो आपको बहुत आराम से दिख रहा है. But normal cases in the lab, you will not be able to realize and identify that which one is transformant, which is non-transformant. So how will we identify, children? How will we remove them? देखो हमने क्या किया. We'll take a cultural medium. We are taking a culture medium which contains ampicillin. Okay, if you see this box that I have taken is a culture medium. In this culture medium, what have I taken? I have taken ampicillin. Now see this. Will this be resistant to ampicillin, this E. coli?
No, ma'am.
Because it does not contain the gene which makes it resistant to ampicillin. So will it survive in this medium?
Yes.
No.
No,
It will
ma'am.
not survive. Very good. It will not survive. So चलो अब इस पे चलते हैं. ठीक है? Now this is surviving. This is surviving in this ampicillin medium. That means it certainly has a gene which makes it resistant to what? Resistant to ampicillin. Will this one survive?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It
No,
will
ma'am.
not survive.
No, ma'am.
It will not survive because it is not resistant to ampicillin. And इस पूरे medium में क्या है? You have filled what? Ampicillin. This is not resistant to ampicillin. Why it is not resistant? क्योंकि इसके अंदर वो vector enter ही नहीं करा था. वो जीन ही नहीं आई थी जो ampicillin resistance देती है. So this will also not survive. This will survive or this will not survive?
No, this will survive.
Survive.
This will survive. If you see, I have put two ticks over here. This tick and this tick. That means these two will survive. These two will not survive. The
Not
ones
survive,
which had this vector plasmid entering, which contained the foreign gene. Here your gene was which gene? Antibiotic resistant gene. So they will survive, the others will not survive. Obviously, that means what? Your vector could not penetrate this E. coli and this E. coli. The vector that you had is not able to penetrate. हमने क्या पढ़ा था? What is simply vector? It's a small part of what? RDNA, which contains the desired gene. So इसका मतलब बेटा हमारा जो vector था, which contained your desired gene कौन सी थी इसमें?
Insulin.
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 Ampicillin resistant.
I have taken
Ampicillin resistance.
Yes, I have taken
Insulin
ampicillin resistance.
Ampicillin resistance.
Yes, exactly. So over here, ये इसमें नहीं आया, इसमें नहीं आया. That means that vector could not penetrate this E. coli and this E. coli. So those which will survive are the transformants. मतलब इनमें change आ गया है. They will certainly be resistant to ampicillin. And these two will be called as what? These two are
Non-transformants.
non-transformant.
Non-transform.
What are they called as?
Non-transformant.
Non-transform.
Yes. So identify करने में help मिली. We could identify with the help of which gene? Antibiotic resistant gene. We were doing what? We are identifying transformants. We are selecting transformants from non-transformants. Who helped us? The first gene which helps us is antibiotic resistant gene.
Antibiotic.
The second one I am telling you about, the second marker is enzyme producing gene. ये भी पीछे का कितना पड़ा हुआ है अभी पता चलेगा. We are going to do enzyme producing gene now. I have already told you the gene most commonly used is what?
Laxed.
LAGZ. It synthesizes which enzyme, children? I have already done this with you.
Beta-galactosidase.
Beta-galactosidase. बहुत बढ़िया. Too good. So this LAGZ enzyme is commonly used. It synthesizes this enzyme beta-galactosidase. यहाँ तक तो मैंने बता दिया था. Now let us see how we will use this enzyme to identify, differentiate between transformants and non-transformants. Beta, we take a substance X-gal. What is the substance called as X-gal?
X-gal.
It is a modified form of galactose. What is X-gal, children?
Modified form of galactose.
So artificially we prepared this substance. This is called X-gal, G-A-L. It is a modified form of galactose and it is white in color. What is its color?
White.
White. Okay, very good. Now what are we doing? If this enzyme is there, which enzyme? Beta-galactosidase. If this enzyme is present, then this X-gal will break into some products which are blue in color. उतना detail में नहीं जाना है कि what products are formed. अभी बस इतना समझो. Reactant products. Reactant was what color? White. When this enzyme will come and act on this reactant X-gal, it will break this product. Decomposition reaction will take place. Some products will be formed and that product will be what in color? I'll tell you why. Blue abhi aayega. What color is it? Blue. मतलब अगर आपका एक्स गैल ब्लू कलर में चेंज हो गया, दैट मीन्स कौन सा एंजाइम प्रेजेंट है?
बीटा गैलेक्टोसाइडेज।
Beta galactosidase.
बीटा गैलेक्टोसाइडेज। एंड अगर बीटा गैलेक्टोसाइडेज प्रेजेंट है, दैट मीन्स कौन सी जीन जरूर प्रेजेंट है?
Laxed.
ओके, एंड इफ योर एक्स गैल इज नॉट चेंजिंग टू ब्लू, वो व्हाइट का व्हाइट ही रह जाता है, दैट मीन्स विच एंजाइम वाज नॉट प्रेजेंट?
Beta galactoside.
Beta galactosidase.
And why it was not present? Because the gene which synthesizes beta galactosidase was not present. That means the laxed was not present. I'm trying to explain the same thing to you. Please look here. This is again your plasmid. We are using it as a vector. Okay. This is laxed. This part is what? Laxed. What is laxed, children? Abhi बताओ.
Where it is a gene.
Enzyme producing gene.
Enzyme producing gene. So I have put my insert in laxed, the desired foreign particle, the desired gene that I want, the desired DNA. I will insert in this area. Which area, beta? Laxed mein. ठीक है? When we do this, what happens now? This gene gets inactivated. जो आपकी original gene थी. Original gene means the gene which used to produce laxed gene, which used to produce what? This is very important. इसे ध्यान से सुनना. देखो बेटा, यहाँ पे हमारी laxed थी. अगर laxed में कुछ आप छेड़छाड़ नहीं कर रहे हो, कुछ भी इसमें टच नहीं कर रहे हो, तो laxed क्या प्रोड्यूस करेगी?
Beta galactosidase.
Beta galactosidase.
But I have denatured this laxed gene by inserting something in this. My foreign DNA or any other gene, I have inserted in this laxed. So laxed का original nature तो spoil हो गया. So वो अपना original function नहीं करेगी. Its original function was to produce which enzyme?
Beta galactosidase.
That means I have made this laxed gene inactive. What did I do, children? This is very important. What did I do with laxed? I made laxed as what?
Inactive.
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 And how did I make it inactive? By putting what? By putting a insert.
Insert.
How
Insert.
did I make it? How did I make it
Insert.
inactive? By putting an insert.
Insert.
This process is called insertional inactivation. Understand it again, very important. It is insertional activation. Something becoming inactive because of inserting another thing. Over here, what became inactive, children? Which gene became inactive?
Laxed.
Laxed. Laxed became inactive because I inserted another gene over here, another foreign DNA over here, some foreign gene over here. So when we do this, the gene gets inactivated. When I say gene gets inactivated, which gene I mean, beta?
Lactose.
And it has become inactive because of this insert. This process is called insertional inactivation. Something becoming inactive because of insertion is what we call as insertional inactivation. चलो अब इसको आगे समझते हैं. हाँ, I have taken these two E. coli. I want to check कि ये transformants बने कि नहीं बने. Whatever gene I had introduced over here, see I have introduced a gene over here, I told you, some foreign gene. I want to check कि वो इसमें चली गई या नहीं. So whether the DNA has, this E. coli has become transformant or not. This process is also called blue-white conversion process of testing. This is called blue-white conversion process. This is done with the help of insertional activation. In biotechnology, children, this process is known as blue-white conversion technique. And this is done to check this insertional inactivation हुआ कि नहीं हुआ. बेटा, वहाँ पे medium क्या था E. coli का when I was testing previous वाले में?
Ampicillin resistant genes.
Anti-resistance.
Antibiotic.
Beta, antibiotic,
Ampicillin.
It was
Ampicillin.
ampicillin. Yes, I'm talking about the medium. I'm not talking about the gene. The medium was ampicillin. Over here, yes, beta. Over here, if you see, my medium is X-gal. This entire pura container I have filled with the medium. What is that medium?
X-gal.
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 I just told you what is X-gal. Tell me quickly.
Modified form of galactose.
Modified.
Galactose.
Modified form of galactose. Chalo. Now, I have taken two E. coli. I want to check which one is transformant. अब ध्यान से सुनो. Laxed is inactivated because what was put in it, children? Insert was put in the gene. So now beta galactosidase will not be synthesized. If this gene, this insert has properly entered, तो कौन सी gene inactive हो गई होगी?
Laxed.
LAGZ.
If laxed is inactive, then which enzyme must not be synthesized?
Beta galactosidase.
Beta galactosidase.
Excellent. And this enzyme is required to change your white X-gal to blue. This we had already done.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If beta galactosidase is not synthesized, then our X-gal remains white. Yes or no? Your medium is white. That means it remains white only.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
अगर
Yes,
आपका yes, the medium that you had X-gal, अगर वो white ही रह जाता है, that means your cells are not able to produce the enzyme. Which enzyme they are not able to produce?
Beta
Beta
galactosidase.
Beta
galactosidase.
galactosidase.
But why they are not able to produce? Because your insert has inactivated it. Insert has inactivated the enzyme producing gene. What was the name of the enzyme producing gene?
Laxed.
Like that.
Laxed. So if this medium remains white, white का white ही रह जाता है, तो ये दोनों transformants हैं कि नहीं है? Tell me.
ट्रांसफॉर्मेंट्स है.
Yes,
है.
ये दोनों transformants हैं. And अगर white का blue हो जाता है तो?
वे ट्रांसफॉर्मेंट्स नहीं है. नॉन ट्रांसफॉर्मेंट्स.
Transformants नहीं है.
Non-transformant.
Yes, they are non-transformants because they did not have that one which will inactivate your gene laxed. Both the process are okay, or you want me to explain something again to you? Both the process are done?
I'm okay.
Should I revise it in the
Yes,
last?
ma'am.
Should I proceed?
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Agar, if you have a problem, let me know. Any of the this PDF that we've done earlier. If you want me to discuss again, please message me. I'll take it up again. I'm taking up this one. I don't know. My daughter has prepared this PDF. It is not very clear, but I'm trying to explain it to you. I'll make a fresh one and put it for you. Don't worry. I'm taking the obtained products on large or commercial scale. See, now you have got a product. Supposing whatever you wanted, just now you have got some protein, you have got some insulin, you have secreted anything. Beta, थोड़े से काम नहीं चलेगा. This is not clear at all. We need large or commercial scale. We need the product on a commercial scale, large scale पे हमको करना है. So we use certain devices to culture the recombinants. Recombinants से बहुत कम मिलेंगे. 2, 4, 5, 10. That is all what you will get, beta. So you need to culture them. Culture means to grow them. Agriculture. Take that word. Culture means किसी चीज को grow करना. Your recombinants ऐसा नहीं है कि recombinants आपको इतने मिल जाएंगे कि आप market में ले जाके उसे sell करने लग जाओ. You cannot do that. Supposing ampicillin resistant gene, you want to produce that antibiotic ampicillin there, you cannot use the recombinants directly for marketing them because the amount is very less. So हम लोग क्या करते हैं? Do you know about inoculum process of making curd from milk?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody knows. We take a big bowl of milk and how much inoculum, how much curd do you add to it? दही बनाना है, बहुत सारा दूध है. Let's have 1 liter of milk. Do you need 1 liter of curd?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Little bit.
Don't need it. We
Little
just
bit.
need a spoon. We just need 1 teaspoon of curd. That
Yes,
1
ma'am.
teaspoon of curd is called what? Which turns the milk to
Inoculum.
curd?
Inoculum.
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 It is called as inoculum. INO. Okay, inoculum. So ये जो आपको ये मिले ना बेटा recombinants जो बहुत कम है अमाउंट में या बहुत कम नंबर में, ये inoculum का काम करेंगे. I mean they'll just start the process, they'll just initiate, and like 1 teaspoon of curd gives you the entire bowl changing into curd by morning. Similarly, this little amount of recombinant in a span of 7 days or 10 days will give you a big amount of recombinants. Understood what the bioreactor is going to do? It is going to increase it's going to culture your recombinants. Culture, you understand? Amount badana, to grow your recombinants. Okay? And with the help of these big devices, they are called bioreactors. What do you call them as?
Bioreactor.
Bioreactor. I hope bioreactors का roughly काम
Bioreactor,
समझ में आ गया होगा. Like inoculum
Yes,
add
ma'am.
कर दो, so a big amount of milk changes to curd. We have recombinants as inoculants, बहुत कम amount में है. and we want to culture them, we want to grow them, because market mein le jaake we need to sell them. Supposing I want to sell insulin, I cannot produce so much of insulin by the help of this method. So what do? I take a few amount of recombinant, that means my insulin production gene, and then usko I will use it as an inoculum. I will use a bioreactor so that my amount increases. Bioreactor is again very important from examination point of view. We generally have a question from this. It's an easy one. There are two types of bioreactors used in biotechnology. The first is stirred type. STIRRED. What is stirring?
हम घुमाना मतलब मिक्स करना कुछ ऐसे
Mix
rods.
करना.
किसी चीज को गोल गोल घुमा के मिक्स कर देते हैं, दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल एज स्टिर. ठीक है, घुमाना मतलब गोल गोल घुमा रहे हैं हम किसी चीज को, मिक्स लाइक यू स्टिर शुगर इन वाटर और सॉल्ट इन वाटर, दैट इज स्टिर
Yes,
टाइप.
ma'am.
And the second is Sparger type. What is it? Sparger type. One by one I'll tell you. Stirring मतलब सबको पता है. Sparger I have drawn. I'll explain it to you. What is Sparger? First, let me take the first type of bioreactor with you. That is your stir type of bioreactor. नाम से ही पता चल जा रहा है stirring होएगा. That means किसी किसी चीज को हम गोल गोल घुमाएंगे. That is what we are going to do. First, remember, all of you, I'm starting from here. Can you see this? This is a steel container. ये जो अंदर वाला है. This is a container which is made up of what?
Steel.
Steel. And it has a curved bottom. Stepwise चलेंगे हर चीज में. First of all, ये बाहर का container बनाएंगे. This is a steel container, and this has what kind of a bottom, children? This has a curved bottom, and you have an outlet. You have an outlet. जो भी product आपका बनेगा उसको निकालना तो है, ठीक है? So उस निकालने के लिए, because your amount will keep on increasing now, you are culturing this transformants, so the amount will increase. It has to be removed. We'll keep on removing it from this outlet. So number one, we are going to make this container. This container is made up of what?
Steel.
Steel.
Steel. And we'll have an outlet over here. The curved bottom. Please बेटा इसको flat मत बना देना. यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी गड़बड़ जाएगी. क्योंकि अगर आप flat बना दोगे rectangular, तो फिर वो ये वाला बन जाएगा Sparger type. This is the main mistake
Okay,
I've
ma'am.
seen in board exams also. जब बच्चे बनाते हैं, they do this mistake. You have to be very careful about this curved bottom. So I specifically mentioned over here that the bottom should be curved. आप थोड़ा आगे जाके, if you will see your Sparger वाला, let me see if I can show it to you over here. See, this is your Sparger. Can you see the bottom?
Yes, ma'am.
Rectangle.
Yes,
This is straight.
ma'am.
So this is the main difference between Sparger. When a teacher will check your copies, these are the small things where you lose marks. So be very
Yes,
careful
ma'am.
when you're drawing this. चलो ये यहाँ तक आ गया. चलो, I don't know how clear it is, बच्चास, but कोशिश करो. This is your
No,
curved
it is
bottom.
clear.
Okay, good if it is clear. This is a curved bottom. This is your outlet. This is your steel container. अब ऊपर चलते हैं. सबसे पहले you will fix up a motor over here. Can you see this motor?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
your motor. With the motor, you connect a shaft. 10th में जिन्होंने physics अच्छे से पढ़ी होगी उनको याद होगा generator,
Yes,
AC
ma'am, shaft
dynamo.
होती है, yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
shaft होती है. So this is your
मैं 12th
motor.
में भी है.
This is your shaft. Now in this shaft, you need to understand two things very carefully. देखो मैंने इनको अलग से बनाया है, and I've written upper blades, क्योंकि इनका काम lower blade से अलग होता है. That is why इसको बिल्कुल अलग याद रखना है. These blades are which blades of yours? These are upper blades, and these that I have made are which blades of yours? What do we call them as? Lower blades.
Lower blade.
Be
Lower
very
blade.
careful that upper and lower के बीच में sufficient space छोड़ो. And बिल्कुल clear रखो कि ये upper है, ये lower है. The reason being the function of upper blades is different from the function of the lower blades.
Lower
So we
blade.
have made a steel container which had a curved bottom. We made an outlet. We have a motor. We connected motor with a shaft. On the shaft, I have inserted these upper blades. Then I have put these lower blades. Is it okay? Now let's see what else is left. Now we had an outlet, so obviously inlet तो होना ही चाहिए. So inlet यहाँ पे. We have an inlet for steam. What will be entered from here? Steam will be
Steam.
entered. I'll be posting a video also for you people for bioreactors. उसे देख लेना अच्छे से. This is inlet. You will enter steam from here. Now two very important things which you need to notice. एक तो ये दिख रहा होगा, एक ये दिख रहा है. This is your thermometer, which will help you to keep on observing the temperature inside the bioreactor. What is this? This is your thermometer. and ये जो दिख रहा है बेटा hole, this hole is called pH pore. What is it called? pH pore. P-O-R-E. What is it called, children?
pH 4.
pH
PS4.
Like for measuring temperature, you put this thermometer. Similarly, you have to keep a check of the pH in the bioreactor. उसके लिए हमने ये device डाला जो pH की value आपको बताता रहेगा. This is known as pH probe. What is this called as?
pH
pH probe, because it will keep telling you about the pH maintained inside this bioreactor. I think I'm done with almost everything when it comes to construction. Only one thing is left, and this is this. This is your outer jacket. This is called water jacket. ये जो बाहर दिख रहा है. What is this? This is your water jacket. अभी इसका function I'll explain it to you. Water jacket में भी we'll have an inlet जहाँ से water हम अंदर डालेंगे, and we're going to have an outlet for a water jacket. I'll tell you the function of water jacket over here. First, let's come to this very quickly. This was the container. This container was made up of what?
Steel.
Hurry up, at least one type
Steel
of bioreactor
container.
आज हो जाए. Even if I'm not able to do this Spaja, I was thinking we'll complete it today, but one more day will go. Never mind. See, this has a curved bottom. Now curved bottom will have what over here?
Outlet.
Outlet.
plate.
It has an
Outlet.
outlet. On the top, what is this we have?
Motor.
Motor.
Motor. With motor, we have
Motor.
connected this long one. What is this called
Shaft.
as?
Shaft.
Shaft. On shaft, we have a pair of, what are these blades called?
Upper
blade.
blade.
Upper
Upper
blade.
blades.
What are these blades called?
Lower blade.
Lower
Lower
blade.
blades.
Fine. Now, we have an inlet over here. This inlet is for what?
Steam.
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 Okay. And then we had this pore, this hole over here. What is this hole called?
pH 4.
pH probe.
pH pore. नहीं,
pH
probe नहीं बेटा. Hole is pore. pH pore. ठीक है, कंफ्यूज मत हो. ये जो होल है जिसके अंदर से
pH
आप ये अंदर डालोगे, that hole is called pore. And this is what we call as
Thermometer.
Which?
thermometer. तो ये
And
वाला
pH probe.
And
pH
probe.
probe. I told you
Probe.
probe कौन होता है जो information ले करके आता है. That day we had done what is a probe. So pH
Yes,
probe, the probe which will give you information about the pH inside the bioreactor. And here we have maintained a thermometer which will keep
Thermometer.
telling you about what is happening inside, what is the temp. मतलब what am I trying to tell you? We are going to keep a check on the temperature and on the pH inside the bioreactor. That is why we have put a thermometer and we have put a pH probe. Now we have this water jacket over here. If you can see, this is the water jacket over here. Which kind of a bioreactor is this, children?
Stir type.
Type.
It is very easy to remember. अगर आप ये blades ध्यान से देखो, they look like the blades of the normal mixer grinder which you use at home. Do they look like that?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So in mixie, what happens? Stirring process is done. Gol gol ये तो घूमता है to mix things. This is what is used. So don't get confused in
ma'am.
stir type and sparge type. Stirring में you're going to have blades. Okay, beta, you will not have blades in the other bioreactor. This is the main difference. And the other difference we'll have is the base. यहाँ पे curved होगा, वहाँ पे rectangle होगा. These are the two main differences. We are going to use blades for stirring process. That is why this is known as a stirrer. Your container should not be filled than more than 3/4 of your recombinants. Supposing I have made this line, this is 3/4 somewhere. ठीक है बेटा, यहाँ तक clear? It should not be filled more than how much?
3/4.
Can anybody tell me why?
3/4.
Why?
Because of load,
For the,
it will spill out.
you are not clear, speak again. Why 3/4?
Steam भी तो डाली जाती है उसकी
Steam,
जगह
ma'am.
के लिए.
Steam, ma'am.
Yes, we need, बेटा floating type biogas plant पढ़ा होगा कभी 19th में.
Yes, ma'am.
उसको पूरा भर देते हैं. Biogas plant is filled till the brim.
No,
नहीं
ma'am.
मैम
No, ma'am.
बहुत प्रोड्यूस होगा ना
No,
process।
ma'am.
मैम बाहर निकलेगा ना अगर घूमे फिर अगर ऐसा कुछ होगा घूमे तो
Exactly, we need to have some space. One is for steam and other thing is कुछ produce भी तो होगा. Immediately तो आप
Yes.
outlet से नहीं निकालोगे. We need to keep some space
ma'am.
over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Container is filled not more than 3/4. Temperature is measured by what? Tell me.
Thermometer.
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 Now, if your temperature thermometer tells you कि पानी बहुत गर्म हो गया, if your temperature has risen, then your water jacket will come into scene, and cold water will be circulated by the jacket. वो इसके आसपास, स्टील कंटेनर के आसपास, what water will you circulate over here in the water jacket? Cold water.
Cold water.
And if your thermometer tells you कि temperature desired temperature से नीचे चला गया है, then what will you do? In this jacket, you will add which kind of a water? You will add the boiled
Hot
water, or steam would be available. This all will depend upon the indication given to you by the thermometer. If temperature is measured by thermometer,